This is my favorite high protein cookie dough recipe, which is guilt free and very satisfying. So let's get started. You will need 1 scoop of whey protein. In that, you're going to add 100 grams of oats, 30 grams of oat bran, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then you're going to turn everything into a fine powder. Here I am adding 125 grams of peanut butter. With that, a tablespoon of honey. Combine everything together. It's not going to convert into a cookie dough. It's going to crumble up. It's going to be rocky in texture, and you will know that your cookie dough is ready. Once you're at that stage, you are going to add 25 grams of sugar-free chocolate chips and then just mix it together, and your perfect, delicious dessert is ready to serve. The invitation is, I think, nice. Try it out and let me know how it turned out for you, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care and goodbye.
Supernatural horror film.
You wanna watch it?